This is it's a place called Clayoquat Sound. Have you ever been to the thing?
We thought we'd be clever.
Yeah, cool. So we're calling Sounds of Clayoquat. Shores and storms, the fallen trees that we paddle on, hope forlorn, while traveling through a jungle that's home. As we run away sometimes, we watch you sow, try sowing seeds on land you don't own. 10,000 bones from whalers trading spirit for gold. It gets in our way sometimes. Stand up, mister, hold the ground you live on, rock and fisted. Use the tools of your time. Maybe they'll run sometimes. Stand up, sister, love what you depend on. Southwood sticks, yeah, bundle tightly and strong. They're stronger than them. They're stronger than you. They're stronger than I. Yeah, right. Stronger than you, if you're stronger than I, bundled and tied, bundled and tied. Stand up, mister. Stand up, sister. We watch you sow, try soiling soil on land, dressing oil, 10,000 groves. I fire for these prophets hungry. We dance in their way sometimes. Yes, in prophets' way sometimes. Stand up, sister, love what you depend on. South grip with sticks, yeah, bundle tightly up, but so strong. Stronger than them, stronger than you, stronger than I. Stronger than you, they're stronger than I, bundled and tied, bundled and tied. Stand up, mister. Hold the ground you live on. Stronger than them, my friends, and they'll be stronger than you again. Stand up, sister, love what you depend on. Southwood sticks, yeah, bundle tightly, you're strong. Stronger than them, they're stronger than you. Is that me? They're stronger than I.
Are you good? Good for now.